Ladies, shut up. And shut up, gentlemen.
Welcome. Welcome.
Welcome to the production video. To the production video.
To the production video.
To the production video. To the production video. To the production video.
2 weeks ago I asked you what genre do you want? 51 people requested big band jazz. I don't even know what the hell big band jazz is. Okay. Oh, the coffee is starting to kick in. I'm kind of stressing out because I don't know if I can produce this. Okay, but let's check it out. 187. We go for a session kit. Let's see. Of course, I am a specialist in the genre. I'm just playing with you guys that I don't know about it. I'm an expert. Oh, hell yeah. Oh no, the rhythm is stupid. This is thirds. 1, 2, 3 out of 4. 3, 4. Cool. That's what I love. Okay, we need to add some more drums. How about that? Ooh, but here. Oh, whoa, what the hell? Shorten this. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh, that slaps. Studio drummer is so full with variation of different drums on different velocities. Change the velocity and you're gonna get a different sound like this. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna separate all these elements into individual ones so that we have more control, and then I'm gonna mix that a little bit. Okay, so this is what we got. And it could just repeat. So now we need some sections. What do we need? Bassline. Bro, this looks like a saxophone. Maybe that's a good sign. Here we go. Session horse. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. That sounds cool. Got bells. Is this pleasurable for a player to play this particular melody? It has to be da, 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 da. Oh yeah, you can change between those, I forgot. Yeah, so that, you know, the player playing in a jazz band is vibing on its own with its own instrument. That sounded very sexual. I didn't mean it to say it so that it sounds that sexual, but it did. And it's not me who thought that was sexual, it's you and your naughty mind. So don't put that on me. And now let's see if we can add some melody for the flutist. This has to align with drums. I don't know if it's not too much. No, it's kind of okay. Okay, we gotta make that flow. This is the basis, and then we are adding elements. So that would be the next element. This is all the background elements for now. This is vibes for now. We gotta keep them and make this even more vibey. Add Valhalla room to this. Put that more in the background. Not fully. Like this, so that you can kind of feel like it's playing behind you. This one's playing at the bottom. In the middle. Since we put this in the background, we can lower the volume because now it's playing in a different place in the 3D space. Let's label that as intro. Reverse. This is the intro, so we are going easy on the elements. So we're gonna introduce some Dolores. That's going to be more like an atmospheric sound that's going to add a tone of vibe to this section. I'm looking to make this more of a mysterious vibe, so it's going to be perfect. Dun, 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 dun. We need to establish like an intro, like a slowly rising vibe. So I want this to be more like when you go into the concert and then you sit down and then people are just like having like a performance and it gets you in a vibe slowly. It's like an adventure. We're looking for something like very gentle, but with a certain feeling. There's gotta be verse. I think there's too many elements. Like this is too early. Oh, layer that. Oh, and this can be a response. Dun, 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 dun. Yes. So we need like a vocal in the background. Oh, that can be banging. This can be for this section, for more like a scary tone. Oh, let's do this. Totally can be like this, offsetting thing, but still I'm missing this vocal, like a sustained one. Look, it looks like a dog. Head, one leg, two leg. I'm gonna filter these drums here. Have a bit of section like that. And here we have this. Put thermal on this, beef it up. Put 2 thermals on it, 3 of them. Super beefy. Do this. This is gonna also rise, but I'm just gonna go for the frequency movement. Like that. Yes, so that will be for later, make space. Look, this is a hybrid jazz band. Okay, they're using cool effects, cool plugins, and they're turning their sounds into filtered sounds, into reverb sounds. They're doing this all live, so we can add any effects that we want. Let me put that in the background. Bloody reverb is playing also on low end. It's really annoying. But I think in general we can add some reverb to these drums because they're really dry. Just like a tiny bit, so there's more flow. Oh, it's perfect. It's excellent.
It's excellent.
Everything that I'm doing recently turns into underwater, watery, oceanary stuff. I can't stop making it because it's so cool. I'm thinking about adding another reverb onto these drums. Where the fuck is this fucking reverb? Where is charm verb? Charm verb. Here we go. Why are you hiding from me, motherfucker? Long. That's gonna add ambience. We're not gonna make a build up in a jazz track chorus, so we're gonna make that even bigger. Oh hell yes, we are introducing new stuff. It's more like Witcher stuff. Fuck it, ocean. Of course. And here we go with this. Yeah, oh, farts. Are you feeling this? Are you feeling this? Are you feeling it? And that all has to be like this. Push all to the extremes. OTT? Do they have, in a jazz band, do they have OTT? Oh, hell yes.
It's excellent.
I need some more elements here. Copy, paste. Put that here. Introduce this space so that listeners get reminded of it. Is that, and also use as a layer this. Cool. And then also this water, make it have a different tone. Like that, and also add reverb to it. Yeah, actually keep that for the whole length. It's more magical. And here we have a breakdown. It's nice too. We can add this here, and this is going to be the outro. Oh, perfect. Oh, nice. What a transition. This is a bridge. And it's gonna fade out right here. Cool. Perfect.
Excellent.
The project looks amazing. I'm really satisfied about the vibe of this song. It's really cool. Really mysterious underwater, but also has this live performance kind of feel to it. It feels like there's a band that's actually playing these things live. It feels very realistic. And it's a hybrid of real life instruments and some electronic synth kind of deals or samplers with effects. So let's take a listen. Hell yes. Big hell yes. Big band jazz, right? Is this considered jazz? I don't actually know because we went kind of like in like this different direction. There's jazz at the end. You can't say that there's no jazz. And the drums are jazz. So ladies and gentlemen, that's it for this video. You've got what you wanted. Are you happy now? Are you happy? I gave you what you wanted, okay? Can you now leave me alone? Hope you enjoyed it. Hope this was helpful and inspiring and entertaining to watch. Check out oversampled.us for high quality samples, presets, and free sounds. Super Heavy 2, the newest sample pack. Advanced song finishing spreadsheet as well. A new appearance at oversampled.us. Helps with tracking projects. I could have actually used it for this track. It has a checklist from the latest video. If you're looking for my own signature sounds, check out Sound Chest Legendary Edition. There will be more production videos, I think this month. I'm gonna make one more production video and one tutorial, I don't know, but that was it for me. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and see you soon.